Bill set off example, understanding the concepts. Understanding financial concepts can often be challenging, especially when they involve complex systems such as banking and debt management. This guide aims to elucidate some of the important themes discussed in the video titled Bill Set Off Example. The discussion centers around historical influences, financial systems, and personal strategies for engaging with these systems. As you proceed through this guide, remember the perspectives shared are meant for educational purposes and not as legal or financial advice. Introduction to financial institutions and their historical influence. Throughout history, various financial systems have been established, each influenced by past and existing structures. This video discussion suggests that the current financial system in the United States has roots tracing back to the Roman Empire. Participants express views on how this historical lineage impacts modern financial operations. It is proposed that understanding these origins can provide insights into current financial policies and practices. This knowledge may empower individuals to navigate complex financial systems more effectively. Discussion on debt and national sovereignty. The speaker in the video postulates that certain nations, including the United States, operate as debtor nations. This term implies that such nations owe debts to foreign or international entities, influencing their sovereignty and governance. The conversation extends to suggest that this state of debt has allowed for a blending of governance structures, particularly between national sovereignty and external influences, which are perceived by some as remnants of the Roman Empire's policies. Individual financial control and responsibility. One significant theme addressed is the notion of personal financial responsibility and sovereignty. The speaker encourages individuals to become educated about their financial rights and methods for leveraging them, particularly through understanding one's status within the financial system. It is suggested that individuals seek to minimize engagement with certain financial practices deemed as usurious, such as traditional insurance policies, advocating instead for the use of lawful money systems. Strategies for financial autonomy. Throughout the discussion, there are references to processes like obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, for managing one's estate and financial accounts. It is recommended that individuals establish systems independent of mainstream financial institutions to maintain greater control over their assets. There is emphasis on creating structures like private banks and using tools such as affidavits and certified documents to support personal financial management strategies. Engagement with religious and legal institutions. The role of religious entities, specifically the Roman Catholic Church, is mentioned in the context of financial management. The speaker suggests that engaging with these institutions might provide additional avenues for asserting one's financial rights and responsibilities. Discussion participants explore how these institutions historically have served as intermediaries between individuals and financial or governmental systems. Conclusion and remarks. In closing, this video encourages viewers to consider the broader implications of historical financial systems and their impact on present-day financial practices. This exploration includes an invitation to reflect on individual financial autonomy and the potential benefits of pursuing informed, independent financial management strategies. The conversation suggests that knowledge of history, coupled with strategic personal financial management, can lead to empowerment and greater financial security. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, and we neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.